If you are a fundamental investor, this is the video for you. Unlike day traders who often buy and sell on a short hold basis, fundamentalists look out for stable companies who are consistently paying out good dividend returns. In this video, we will explore with WebPro and spot dividend stocks. What constitutes a good dividend stock? A good dividend stock is a stock that has been paying out dividends for the last 1 year while generating positive shareholder returns over the last 3 and 5 years. Without further ado, let's crank up WebPro. Firstly, select Screener, Market Screener, select Bursa, and add criteria. At the Fundamental Analysis tab, select Dividend Yield, Dividend Payout, Total Debt to Equity, Total Shareholder Return, and add criteria. Now select Add Criteria again, and select Total Shareholder Return, and add criteria again. So now we have to key in the parameters for all the conditions. For dividend yield, select more than, type 5%, and select 1 financial year. For dividend payout, select more than 0.5 times, and for 1 financial year. Total debt to equity, select less than, type 1, and type 1 financial year. For the first total shareholder return, select more than 5%, and select 3 financial year. And for the second one, select 5% and 5 financial year. If this is the first time you are setting this condition, you can save it by clicking on the Save Template. At Create Template, put a name that you desire. In this case, we'll put Dividend Companies. And click Create. Now, we can start our screening by clicking Screen Now. This may take a few minutes. Now that we're here, below are the results of your screening. You can sort them by selecting Dividend Yield and select DESC. To check the total shareholder return, you can mouse over the name of the stock, select Fact Sheet, and scroll all the way to the bottom for the total shareholder return. And that's it.